The Trapezoid Area Calculator quickly determines the area and perimeter of any trapezoid shape. Let's explore the input fields. First, enter the top parallel side, A. This is the length of the upper parallel edge. Next, input the bottom parallel side, B, for the lower parallel edge length. The height H field requires the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides. You'll also need the non-parallel side 1 length for the first slanted edge, and non-parallel side 2 for the opposite slanted edge. For this demonstration, I'm entering 10 units for all 5 measurements. Top parallel side equals 10, bottom parallel side equals 10, height equals 10, non-parallel side 1 equals 10, and non-parallel side 2 equals 10. After clicking Calculate Trapezoid Properties, the results appear instantly. The area calculates to 100 square units, which represents the total surface area within the trapezoid's boundaries. The perimeter shows 40 Voigtsware units, giving us the complete distance around the trapezoid's outer edge, the sum of all 4 sides. This tool streamlines trapezoid calculations for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below.